Okay, ready?
Ma'am, ngayon lang po.
Yo. Delay tactics. 1, 2, 3, go.
Morning, ma'am. Morning.
Walang take yan.
Morning, classmate. My game. My game is 10% luck, 20% skills, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% faith, and 100% to remember my name. That is a life of a gangster. It's a game of life and death that will test your willingness to protect your own. I joined the gang when I was 16 years old. I received 54 paddles with all my eyes are on blindfold. The initiation that I encountered hit me down on my shoulder, but in my mind, I said, when I pass this war, my life will become more interesting and exciting because I have my own G's to lean on. I know that joining this kind of organization was wrong, but this G gives my life more meaning and happiness that I could not find at home. The relation of the member of this gang is very solid that we treat each and everyone as brothers that that are bonded of one perception or belief to defend and protect the reputation of RG. And I must accept the fact that because I joined this kind of organization, my life is always at risk. And I must trust my life in the hand of each member because a single mistake may result to the bullet that will kill the life of each gang member. By all the violence I experienced herein, I developed a brutal perception that the only thing that will finish the war between rival gangs is to kill each one of the member that will block our way. One night, an encounter happened to us because one of the members was stabbed by the rival gang. After the fight, I see the 13-year-old brother of the gang member crying on his dead body, on his dead brother's body.